Hi, I thought I would share with you some interesting results that I got just playing around, and maybe we can do some more experiments, similar experiments. So we had been talking about the issue of after the pruning step, after you've expanded your list of solutions and you want to select the set of solutions to go on to the next expansion, how do we do that? How do we select solutions? And it occurred to me that, we already have a method that self-selects because the you keep trying the solution, and once you run out of machines to try, then it basically drops off the list. Even though it's in the list, it can't be tried because you have um, uh, this array options that only records the ones that are still possible. So essentially, the solutions will drop off the list because you will keep trying them and they'll all fail, and then it's stopped. So I thought, well, maybe we don't even need to do the alternate the expand and the pruning. We just keep expanding and until all the solutions get used up and we're done. So I tried doing that. So I extended the uh, maximum number of solutions to way big, like 5,000 or 10,000. And I got some very interesting results. Solutions do drop off, but even I put this up to 10,000, they keep getting added. So I think that's probably too much. So I began to wonder, well, how are these solutions getting dropped off? And what does the distribution of objective functions look like? So I went up to 5,000 and I got 5,000. After 5,000 solutions, I looked at what I had, and if you look here, out of the 5,000, there are 4,391 that have not dropped off. So it did get rid of about 600 solutions. And the distribution of objective functions is really quite interesting. It's this. So you have a few solutions that are really good, and then you have this knee, and then you have a lot of solutions that are not so good, and then you've got this, which is really bad. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. Now I thought, well, how about the solutions that are dropping off? Are they all up here, or are we also getting some solutions down here to drop off? So what I did was I found the distribution of objective functions for the solutions that had already been exhausted, and those are here. So you can see it's pretty much the same, although there more of them get dropped off here than down here. So this was just kind of um, interesting. That so where to go from here? I'm not sure where to go from here, but I think that we should think about this and maybe do some more experiments um, to see what the pattern is going to be. So I actually listed some of these here, the first few. So the values are here. The smallest is 25, which is quite incredible considering it goes up to 700 and something. And then there's a big jump to the next solution, which is kind of interesting. And then maybe I'll list a few more. This just the first 10. So I'll do GG. Let's look up to the first 50. So here it gets up to about 200, and then it really levels off very quickly, right? So here, this is 211, this is 238, and this is so about in the first 20, you've got really small, and then you've got these other ones. So I'm thinking that as far as selection, um, we should see how many of these are really close together. We don't want to just select these because I suspect they're all very close. We want to give the ones over here another chance. Um, or maybe we just want to restart. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure where to go from here. But this is really, really nice results here. I think the 25 wasn't yet dropped off, so we certainly would want to keep that. It may be that we just do it the way you have it already, and we wait till everything converges, because it looks like these are going to converge pretty quickly. They should, and we'll see if they all converge to the same thing or not. And then we just restart. We could do something like that. So it's kind of like fishing. You cast your net and you pull it in, and whatever fish you get, you take those, and then you just cast your whole net in again and get more fish that way. So that's another possibility, is that rather than trying to iteratively improve, just start over again. Or we could start over again with some of these back here or something like that. Not sure how to go from here. So just some ideas. We can talk about this. Maybe you have some ideas too, but it really was quite interesting, and it was kind of neat. Okay, now how do I stop this stupid recording?